Today I'm going to show you how to make garlic dip. For this dip you're going to need 5 cloves of garlic, 1 egg, half a teaspoon of black pepper, some salt, vinegar, avocado oil, a blender, and the Jack Daniels is for me. In the blender add the 5 cloves of garlic, add 1 egg, add the half teaspoon of black pepper, add just a little bit of salt, get your shot of whiskey, blend in low speed. In low speed, add slowly the avocado oil until it thickens. Add 1 cup of vinegar. And there you have it. This is the consistency of the dip, garlic dip, and it will be delicious for any kind of sandwich. And there you have it. This is the most delicious garlic dip that you can ever try. See you next time.